My name is Matt Lamro. I'm the engineering manager for Tsugami and REM sales. I'd like to show you a few key features on the new Tsugami SS38MH machine. One of the key features is the tool spindle. It's 20,000 RPM, 10 horsepower tool spindle. It's capable of turning and milling. Another key feature of this machine is the Fanuc 31 series control. It comes equipped standard with a data server to store your long programs. Another feature of the Tsugami SS38MH is the rear working block. It has 5 live tools and 5 static tools that allows us to overlap during machining. Another feature of the Tsugami SS38MH is the 40 tool magazine with automatic tool changer. This allows our customers to leave programs and parts set up in the machine for quick turnaround.